made it to my lash appointment and it's currently 2:38, which I actually had my lash appointment for 5 o'clock, but Lainey texted me like the other day and was like, hey, could you come in at 3? And so then I just kind of left a little bit early and now I'm here like 30 minutes before, but it's okay. I'm so excited. I'm getting a different set this time. Last time I got the hybrid, wispy hybrid, but I think I'm getting the wispy volume. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but I know it's a volume set and I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty sure it's a wispy volume, but this is what my eyelashes look before. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try to film a little bit, but who knows how much footage I'll get because I feel like, I don't know. This video is a combination of me like prepping and packing just because I don't have that much to prep. I'm not gonna tan or anything like that. I'm really just getting my lashes and my nails done. So yeah, I didn't want to do like a full prep video. So we're gonna do just like a prep and pack with me. So first up is lashes. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get them done. I'm actually like obsessed with lashes now. Like I feel like it literally took my makeup from going, it was like my makeup routine usually would take like 30 minutes to now, like when you have lashes on, it literally takes you like 10 minutes. I'm not even kidding. Like it just does so much for you.
They'll call it Mardi Gras, life a party hard. Everything I know from growing up said I'm gonna stay the same. Cause I always evolve, but the thing is I'll never change. I'll be going off like, oh my god, I'm counting constellations. I see 5 stars making hard work feel like vacation. I'll be on my tiger's claw. I've been earning stripes, but I've been patient in it for the long haul. 8-wheeler for my family, the whole squad, cause everyone I'm taking. All this cake mean nothing if none of my people taste it. If you weigh me down, but I love you, well, I can take it.
I just got out of doing my lashes and this is what they look like. I'm so excited. They are really full because I did get a volume, but hopefully, you know, like they'll fall out and they'll get a little bit less, but they are very, very, very full right now. But yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Lainey. I will put her Instagram, her lash page up on the screen so you guys can go, like if you live in the Dallas area, you guys can go book with her. I love her. She's amazing. She'll talk to you the whole time. She's so sweet. But yeah, I'm about to head home now. I think I'm going to try to start packing today, but we'll see. So y'all, it's now the next day. We're about to get our COVID test right now. We are at Livingston. Oh, this is hearing aid. Wait, this is not it. Okay, no, there we are. Last one. This is where we're getting our.
We at Livingston's hearing aids.
We are here about to get our COVID test for the cruise. We have to have one like literally. It's so expensive. It's literally like $130 because we have to get one like close to the cruise date. So we leave Sunday. It's Friday. So we'll get our results hopefully today or tomorrow. I don't know, but we're about to have it stuffed up our nose. Look at my lashes. I'm obsessed. They look so much like I'm so happy now. I just needed to sleep on them, you know.
They hadn't even taken ours yet. We have a 10 o'clock appointment.
They're running behind.
No, they're just not very friendly here.
Oh. I also just ordered me some Starbucks, so I'm very, very, very excited. Bro, that's my favorite one too. Put it back. He broke my spoolie, and that's like my only blue one. I love it. I just have these pink ones now. See?
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous.
Okay, well, there's
It's not that bad, I promise.
There's
I don't have to go all
mine.
the way.
Oh.
Just breathe. You're closing your nose.
Yeah, open up. Alright, good job.
Oh my goodness.
You're so dramatic.
Thank you.
Bro,
Does that make you Savannah?
I'm literally crying. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. All deep back. How does it feel? You're not even making no face. You're doing like a champ.
Alright, good job.
I make you look like a bitch. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, babe. Oh, I love you
Such
so
a good
much.
boy.
Thanks, babe. Tell me how I knew exactly what you were getting.
How did you know though? Because I could have been getting you your favorite drink.
I saw it on your phone when you tried to order it. You looked up warm sandwiches.
We are officially about to start packing for our cruise. I'm gonna give you guys like a haul of everything that I bought because I laid it out all right here. So this is like literally everything I've recently bought. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of like all the stuff, and then we're gonna start packing. We're gonna start picking out outfits, accessories, literally the whole 9. You good, bro? Ooh. Ow, my ear. Okay, let's start with the Target stuff. Well, actually, this isn't everything that I got from Target because, oh, I also bought some tanning oil from Target. That's what I was missing. And then I have some clothes over there, but we're gonna start with like all the toiletry stuff that I got from Target. So first thing I got was this little mini shaver. Then I got some leave-in conditioner. I got 2 of these little like pink things. The theme was pink for sure. But I got this for like my shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I got a pink little EOS shave cream. And then I got some BioTrue contact solution. I got some micellar water so I can take my makeup off. And I also got a face wash from Pond's facial foam. I've never tried it. And I got the matching moisturizer. Then lastly, I got a little toothbrush. We both got one of these. He got the gray or black, and then I got pink. This is the tanning oil that I bought, the Hawaiian Tropic one. Now switching over here. So from Five and Below, I got 3 pairs of shoes. I've been wearing these like all week, so now they're like dirty and shit, but I got some white ones. This is what they look like when they were brand new. I got some beige ones as well. They were only $5. And then I got these little white ones, so cute. Then I got this little like bucket hat from Five and Below. Oh, it's a little small. I should have tried it on because it don't fit. Okay, my Amazon order, you guys. I ordered so much stuff off of Amazon. First I got, look, I got an eyelash fan so I can dry my lashes. And then I bought this little 2-pack of glasses. So we have a beige pair and a green pair. I literally only ordered 1 of these, but they sent me 2, so now I have 2 of them, but it's just like a little pack of like gold bracelets. I ordered a bikini as well, this little yellow bikini, which I'm kind of sad because in the picture it has it put the other way, so like ties in the front, but I don't know how to like weave that through this. So if I could figure it out, then I'll switch it so that way it ties in the front. Makes sense. But anyways, and then these are the bottoms, like that in a tie. Then this is my favorite purchase, a very random like purchase, but I'm so excited for it. I got the little mini camera. I even like attached the thing to it, but it takes like pictures and you can film and stuff, and it's so cute. The pictures are gonna be bomb. And then I bought this whole little pack of like just gold waist chains, which I don't even think they fit because I tried one of them on and it literally like broke. It did not fit. It was way too big. It like fell all the way down. Also from Amazon, I got this like cute little beach skirt. And if it's so good, I got a size small. Okay, and then I ordered a bunch of stuff from White Fox, so I'll do that haul right now. First thing I got from White Fox is this little skirt. This is the Raise Me Up mini skirt in the shades, in the color citrus. Shit, I can't speak. But this top, y'all, oh my god. This little white top, beautiful. Beautiful. White Fox did their thing. Then I got this really cute little set, which I actually don't like the top, and you had to buy this separate, so not too happy, but I love the skirt. It's like this orange little skirt, and then the top looks like this. I got it in a size small. I probably could have done a medium, which like no, because like it fits perfectly around my body. It just like does not fit the titties, and like I don't know if I should wear like a bra or something or tape. I don't know, but it just like does not look good on the boobs. Oh wait, and then I got some bikinis too, which I don't even know because okay, like I said, like you had to buy these separately, so expensive, and it doesn't even fit. Okay, so this is the bottoms of this bikini, and then it's one of those ones that has like all the beads on it, like so cute. I was so excited. It's just like it doesn't fit very tight. Like you'd have to literally like pull this thing to be tight because like I think the straps are just too small or something. I don't know, but it's just like too small. So I'm probably gonna return that one, not really sure. Then I got this bikini. This one's really cute. I tried it on, it fits good. It's just like abstract or whatever. And then these are the bottoms as well. The only thing I don't like is that it has gold clasping on it, and it's like I don't know, just the gold is not that cute. Oh wait, first I got this set from Target. You guys, look. Is this not like perfect for the cruise or just like the beach? It's so cute. And then this is the top that comes with it, or that you buy separate. This is my first little dress that I got from Pretty Little Thing. So cute. This is the multi-marble print mesh one shoulder detail bodycon dress. Then I got this little like beige lace-up top for I was thinking one of the fancy nights, like fancy dinner nights, because I got these white pants and I got them in the petite size. They just look like this. They're so nice. They fit amazing. They are still a bit long on me, but I'll probably be wearing heels. And then I bought 3 pairs of shorts actually, but only 2 of them like fit nice. So this is the first pair. I got this black pair, and then I also got this blue jean pair. Well, I got 2 blue jean pair, but one of them didn't fit. And then from this store in this mall called Dana, I bought this little red top. I did a like shop with me video for the cruise, so y'all remember all this stuff from that video. Also, you guys know I got this set, cutesy. This is also from the store Dana. This is another one of the dresses that I bought. And then I have just my Forever 21 haul from the other day. So I think the only thing really that I'm gonna bring from the Forever 21 haul, I think only 2 stuff that I'll probably bring is this like flight cover up for like bikinis or something. I just wish I would have got this in a medium or a large because I got it in a small. And then I also got this like bodysuit, so I could maybe make this like a chill fit there. Okay, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just like pick out an outfit and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking and then we'll pack it. First little outfit, this is what we're working with. So this is the white box stuff. Honestly, we're just gonna be picking out a whole bunch of random, oh my god, there's people out here. I was thinking with this little outfit, I could just pair my white sandals that I got from Five and Below. My aunt had this little bag. How cute is it? I feel like the green kind of like goes and ties in a bunch of colors. Like, see that green right there? I was like, I don't know jewelry-wise what I would do, but is this not so cute? Put me on a beach. So this dress I got from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm thinking this for one of the fancy dress-up nights. Anyways, what do we think? I paired it with these like nude Shein heels, but I'm not sure if I should wear my white heels that I got off of Amazon. Or Christian got these for me off of Amazon, but they are linked on my Amazon storefront. So yeah, and then I don't know what jewelry I would wear with this, but I think this is really cute. It's just that Christian literally picked black and white outfits for both of the dressing nights. I don't want to just wear a plain black dress, you know, like I want it to be colorful. We're ready for the club. This is another one of the outfits that I was planning on wearing with this like little tan top and these white pants, but now that I'm trying it on again, I'm like, I don't know. So I have it with both options. I put on these like white heels, don't mind them, they're really dirty, but I put on some white heels and then I also put on these boots. This is like what it looks like in the mirror. I just feel like the top is a bit, like it's a little bit big. I just don't really like this that much. I forgot that I even had this dress, but I bought this a really long time ago at H&M. But I bought this before I went to go to Louisiana to meet his family, and I've never worn it yet. So I think this is like very, very fitting. But yeah, I really actually love this dress. It's so cute. Let me move y'all down so y'all can see the full effect. But I paired it with these white heels, and I love it. And it like makes a little split in the back. I think this is gonna be one of my other fancy nights. I know this isn't like an extremely fancy dress, but I feel like it's plain enough to pass as one. Anyways, now we have to pick out all the rest of our like just random miscellaneous outfits. Here's this next outfit. This dress I literally was in love with when I bought it at Dana, but now I'm like, I just was always really eerie about this bottom part because I feel like if it just was like cut off short right here, like look, whenever I tuck it in, it looks so much better, does it not? Like, it's just way cuter. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and bring this dress, but I'm still not sure if I'm gonna actually wear it because I might wear it for a picture or something. Officially over trying on regular clothes, so we're switching to bikinis now. So this is the first one that I'm trying on. I got this one from Shein a little bit ago. I think I probably honestly used in my last like big summer try on haul that I did last year, but I also have this like little cover up that I got from a thrift store, so I was thinking of wearing that. I have like white shoes on, and I was thinking this is more like yellow, but it doesn't like, it's not too off, like it literally looks like it matches. So the green glasses would go perfect. I have that like white skirt cover up that I could wear, which I already tried on with this yellow bikini, which I actually don't really love, but I bought it, so I'm gonna bring it. So this is like the yellow bikini I already tried on, and then I'm also gonna bring this one that I wore the other day to the pool, unless I find another better one. But this is the white skirt that I'm talking about that I got off of Amazon. And then I think other than that, I'm gonna probably just like end up wearing my jeans most of the time as like a cover up.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live you up, but it all comes down.
We had to convince him to get one because he did not want to get a pedicure. But as you can see, he's getting a pedicure. We took a quick little pause on packing and I went to go get my nails done. So this is what they look like. They're so cute. I wish these two nails were a little bit more opaque, but I do still really, really love them. And then I just got white toes. But tomorrow I was not expecting to have a lot of stuff to do, but I think my day is actually gonna be pretty booked up. So now I'm gonna try to finish like my packing tonight. All I have left now, I already packed like my jewelry, my shoes, my clothes. So now I just have to make sure I have all of my camera equipment. I have all my camera equipment right here. I'm bringing my GoPro, so I have to make sure I have all the chargers for that. And then makeup wise, I think I'm gonna do makeup very, very, very last. Like I'll probably pack it tomorrow, like after I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and like fill up all of these little bottles and get all my toiletry stuff ready. Firstly, I just want to say happy Easter. If you guys watched until this point, you are a real one. Comment that Easter egg emoji. It was like an egg with a duck in it. I don't know, I'll put it right here. But I didn't finish this video because actually, literally the next day, okay, so this was, I filmed this on the last little clip whenever I was packing my stuff. I filmed that on a Friday and we were leaving on Saturday, but I swore up and down that we were leaving on Sunday. So that's why I was like, oh, I have all these plans on Sunday. So now I have to finish packing tonight or whatever. Well, I never ended up finishing packing that night. So Saturday morning, my grandpa called us and was like, y'all ready to go? We're about to be on our way to get y'all. And I was like, are we ready to go? I thought we were leaving tomorrow. And he was like, no, we're leaving today. And I was like, so then we literally had to like wake up, finish packing. Christian had literally not even like gotten anywhere near finished packing, so we had a lot of packing to do. And then I just had to like pack like my makeup and stuff and last minute touches, like my camera equipment and all that. But we literally like had to wake up and then leave, and then we were on the cruise literally the next day. It was really, really fun. I'm back from the cruise now and I'm so excited for you guys to see my cruise videos. I vlogged so much and I need to start working on that like right now because I have a lot of footage. I don't know if I'm gonna split it up into 2 videos yet or just do 1, but I'm very, very excited for you guys to see all of that. If you guys do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to join the family. I would love to have you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.